Hi, good morning. Now we'll just see this opening of the charts before the market opens. That is entry for the future segment. Now earlier we had this problem of not being able to open the charts before the market opens because we used to get the data only at 9:15. So we actually had to wait till 9:15 and then open the charts after the share guru server starts. Now we have avoided that particular problem. Now we can actually open the charts before the market opens. So how do we? So you have the NinjaTrader icon on your desktop. You double click and open that. The same thing with the share guru. You double click and open even that also. And check this NinjaTrader button if it is running or not. So it's running. So just say OK. And then come back to the NinjaTrader and check if the external data feed is connected. It is connected. So in case if it is not connected, you'll have to just click on the external data feed and then it gets connected. It means that your NinjaTrader and your share guru are connected now. Now as soon as 9:15 happens, once your data gets populated here on share guru, it will automatically send the prices to your trading tree charts and you can actually start trading right from 9 a.m. So that is the idea here. So how do we do it? Now we have the backfill button here. You just click on the backfill button. So I get this pop-up where we have the watch list. So since I have the watch list for commodity, F&O and currency, I will just click on the F&O segment. Now F&O segment, I have this particular charts, this particular symbols which are already added. Now in case if you don't want to do all the trades, what you can actually do is you can just type the name of that particular script for that particular day. I'll give you an intraday strategy in the next video where you can design your own intraday strategy and then you can trade better. Now let me just open 10 charts. I'll just show you for 10 charts, and in case if you want to add, you can just, like in case of Apollo Tyre or in case of ACC, I don't want to do ACC. I just want to do Tata Steel. What I'll do is I'll just type Tata Steel without the hyphen. That is, you should not have the hyphen. That is how NinjaTrader recognizes. So without the hyphen, we'll type the symbol name and then we'll take the backfill and then we can start opening the charts. So now I'll just open the charts for the first 10 ones. Whatever is listed here. So what we do is we'll just remove this hyphen symbol. So in case you want to trade on 10 scripts or 20 scripts, you can just type those particular symbol names, and then you can open that charts and keep it ready for 9:15. Once the market opens, you can start trading on only those scripts. So I have deleted the hyphen symbols for these scripts. What I'll do is the backfill I will need for 30 days, or you can have it for even 60 days also. So I'll take it for 30 days because I'm doing intraday. I'll just type 30 here and click on the backfill. You can see that the backfill has started. Tata Steel, Adani Enterprises. So once this gets populated, I will again go back to the NinjaTrader, click on the Tools button and Tools and Historical Data Manager. Now I'll have to take the historical data for these scripts which I am taking the backfill. So let this get done. What I'll do is I'll click on Start Import button. So now I'll click on the Start Import button. You know that you have the path. That is, the path is nothing but it is stored in the NT import directory in share guru server. So what we'll do is we'll click on the C drive, program files, look for the share guru folder, double click on that, and we have everything stored in the NT import directory. So we'll just click on NT import directory. Now it's taking the backfill for all the scripts, whichever are there in that list. So what I'll do is I'll just open few charts So I'll select till Asian Pay and I'll just open them. So historical data is imported successfully. Now you just come to File, New, Chart and double click on that symbol ACC. ACC I don't have because I have deleted ACC and then I have typed Tata Steel. So I'll open the next one, Adani Enterprises. So you can see that we have the data till 3:30 yesterday. So as soon as 9:15 happens, you'll get the data and then you can start trading on this. So I'll open those charts. So there you go, you're ready for today's trades. So this will actually help you to trade better. So in case if you can open the charts right before 9:15 and then wait for the trades, it will be a good idea. And in the next video, I'll just show you a very simple strategy of in case if you have both futures tree and trading tree, how to combine both trading tree and futures tree and trade better.